Hello, I'm Tod Sutherland with Tropic Supply with another edition of our Holiday Tools Special. Now today what we're going to be talking about is the Appion MegaFlow Basic Kit. Okay, now this is a great starter kit if you're just graduating from your 1/4-inch hoses to a larger diameter hose, which I highly recommend anytime you're pulling a vacuum. Okay, this MegaFlow kit includes a hose and a core removal tool. So let me show you what's inside the box. Okay, you get a nice vacuum rated hose. Okay, now the importance of a vacuum rated hose, a lot of the manifolds that you have out there, even the ones with the bigger diameter hose that you pull for a vacuum, those are actually charging hoses, not vacuum rated hoses. Okay, this is a vacuum rated hose, so it's non-permeable, it won't collapse on you, it's nice and sturdy. It's got a 1/4-inch connection on one end and a 3/8 connection on the other end. Now you also, inside the box, you get this nice hanger, which I highly recommend you hang on to and use to cap your hoses back off to keep them from getting contaminated. But it will also give you a little hanger to hang on your hooks inside of your van. Okay, you got a 1/4-inch connection on one end to connect to your unit or your core removal tool, and a 3/8 connection on the other to go right to your vacuum pump. Okay, now also inside the box, you're going to get a vacuum rated core removal tool. Okay, this is a great core removal tool from Appion. It's the one that I use. You get a nice core removal tool in there. It's a nice sturdy unit. Okay, it's great for it. It's got an access port on here for your micron gauge or to add nitrogen if you're purging with nitrogen, breaking the system to do a 3-time vacuum on it. But that's the MegaFlow Basics large diameter hose kit. You get one hose, one core removal tool, and the hanger clip. Okay, these are going to be available on the Tropic Supply Holiday Tool Special that's starting December 12th through December 23rd. So get on down to your local Tropic Supply, pick you up one of the MegaFlow hose kits. Thank you.